that customer service is a company attitude.
When working with OEM customers, a big part of maintaining a good relationship is understanding what the customer's needs are.
Having in-depth product knowledge of our product helps me help the customers.
Transparency and communication is key.
At Space Age Customer Service, we work as a team.
So at Space Age Electronics, we have a lot of individuals that really put in effort at all different levels, from the customer service team, through production, through shipping and receiving. There's steps along each process that each representative puts the care and knowledge into, so at the end of the day, we get these products out the door.
Customer service is not a single person. The customer service is a company attitude. If there isn't customer service at the very top level, I would not be able to achieve half of what gets done during the day. It has to be an entire company effort. Customer service doesn't begin and end in the customer service department. It affects the entire company.
In my role, I work with customer service for the requests that they need to get what the customers what they need, and I work with production to make sure they're building the right things at the right time.
Product and industry knowledge is an important part of the role here at Space Age.
The communication between the team to make sure we know as soon as possible if there's ever going to be an issue with meeting a customer's date is very important. It's a much better feeling to be able to give them a heads up than to give them the last minute notice.
It's important for me to be able to help the customer, to help them to succeed in their job. The more that I know about the industry, the more that I'm able to help them succeed.
And having that partnership really allows us to make the needed adjustments, and we have specialists at every level putting in the effort, so at the end of the day, we're providing products that meet SAE expectations as well as the customers.